Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I only have 3 more paintings left and then I'm done with this sketchbook, and I'm looking forward to start a new one because it gets a bit tiring for the intro to flip through. So today we will be painting something like a retro diner aesthetic. I'm gonna use bright colors, and basically right now I'm gonna start with the wall and I'm going to play around with the shadows. So the color I'm using for the dark shadows are going to be dark blue, Prussian blue mixed with sky blue, and then for where the light hits I'm going to be using turquoise mixed with a little bit of white. So before painting, I've already mapped out the sketch so I know where I want my shadows to be. So over here I want the dark part of the shadows to branch out, and I'm going to paint this in sky blue mixed with just a little bit of Prussian blue, so it's going to be just like a middle shade. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glow here on the right side. I'm going to use turquoise and I blend it in because light is going to come from there. So the next step right now is I want to touch up the painting, and I also want to soften the shadows. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to blend all the sharp lines so it looks a little bit more subtle. I'm going to just mix the two colors like turquoise and then the dark color of the shadows, and I blend it gently with the paintbrush until you get this more blurred out look. And in the middle of it I add a little bit of titanium white to get that gradient. By blending it this way and removing all the sharp lines, it really helps to soften the background so that you can bring the focus to the object in the foreground. So once I've blended all the sharp lines away, I'm going to touch up this part of turquoise here, and I'm going to add a little bit more titanium white in the middle, and I'm also going to blend it and soften it so it just becomes like a little white glow in that patch over there. So over here I also want to add a shadow, and I'm going to blend it the same way. Next, I'm going to use a wet paintbrush and I want to glaze a little bit of orange and white in this kind of like shape over here, and then I'm going to add titanium white, and I'm also just going to wet it and glaze over the surface to create something more wispy looking. And here we're going to add a bit of light shining through the table. We're going to use turquoise, and for the table I'm using red, but I want to tone it down by adding a little bit of brown. So on the corners of the table on the right side here I'm going to paint it in a very dark shade of brown, and on the left side here it's going to be a little bit brighter, so it's just going to be a lighter shade of dark brown. Next, I want to add a little bit of shadows across the table, and I'm using dark brown with just a little bit of black. And to soften it a little bit, I'm going to just kind of glaze over the surface with a bit of water, and I want to brighten this part of the table. I'm going to use orange yellow, and I'm going to paint over what we have painted earlier. And for this section, I'm just going to completely cover it in dark brown. I'm going to kind of soften it, blend it with a little bit of dark red. So what I'm really trying to do with this painting is to create a bit of contrast with the light and shadows. I think you could do it better because, to be frank, my painting is not the most accurate, but I'm kind of having fun with this anyway. So for the part that was blocked out, I painted shadows in dark blue mixed with a little bit of black. And for the chair, because we're going for the retro diner aesthetic, I'm going to be painting red on top of the chair, or on top of the couch where the light is coming through, and on this side here I'm going to paint it in dark red mixed with brown and add a little bit of details on the couch, and I'm going to drag the paint down from the top to create this lining over here. So at the bottom here is going to be dark with the shadows, and we're going to paint it in dark brown mixed with black. But as we connect to the couch, we're going to blend it with a little bit of red so it doesn't look too abrupt from the transition to the couch to the shadows. And in the middle, this is my favorite part, we're going to add a transparent vase, and I'm going to use titanium white to draw the shape of the vase, and then we're going to add a rose. Because this rose is super tiny, I'm using a size 000 brush, and then I add the stem and the leaves. Once that is done, I continue to work on the vase by adding the water. So I paint over what we've painted earlier and just add little touch-ups with more titanium white. So over here it's just the final thing. I darken the shadows here a little bit and smoothed out the paint, and it is finished. I hope you like this painting and find the tutorial useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.